Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can claim the Dragonstone because Dokkan Battle is the first top gross. Let's tap the news. So this one, first rank. Thank you for your support because Dragon Ball Z achieved first place on App Store in France, Hong Kong, and Macau. So the reward is Dragonstone, 30 Dragonstone, and many orbs. And let's see the details. Tap the gift from admin team 130 and so many orbs here. Got this sky and diamond and sticker. It's good. 3 sticker. So claim your first. Claim the gift now. Because it's very valuable. You wanna summon more because if Dragonstone 30 is not enough, but maybe you have some spare, it's good to claim. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.